Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make the camera and microphone unusable in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, let me firstly open the camera application. So now you can see here it's perfectly working right now. So let me show the voice recorder also. So let me try to record something. Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. So you can see it's working right now. So in order to make this camera as well as the microphone unusable, what you need to do is just open the settings and just scroll down below and just click on this about phone and click on this software information. Now just keep tapping this build number until you see the developer mode has been enabled. So in my case it's already been enabled, and after that just move back and just scroll down below and we'll see here one option, developer option. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below again. Now you can see here one option, quick settings developer tiles. Just click on it. Now here you will see one option written sensors off. Just enable it. Now you can just minimize it. Now swipe down the notification panel. Now you'll see here one option showing up sensors off. Just enable it. Now let us try to open the camera application again. So now you can see security policy, prevent use of camera. So let us try again. So you can see here still I'm unable to use the camera application. So let us try the voice recorder application right now. And let me try to record again this time. Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. So you can see here it's not recording any voice right now. That means the microphone is unusable. So if you want to enable it again, then just swipe down the notification panel again and just disable this sensor off button. And now let us try to reopen the camera application. So now it's working perfectly, and let us check the voice recorder again. And let me try to record again. Hello everyone, it's me JP. So you can see here it's working perfectly. So by using this method you can easily make the camera and microphone unusable in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.